Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really exciting to share with you, especially if you're serious about building digital income streams this year. I'm talking about a massive 27in1 PLR bundle that you can resell, brand, and profit from instantly, keeping 100% of the profits. Now, what exactly are PLR products? PLR stands for private label rights, which means you get done for you digital products that you can rebrand as your own. You can sell them on your website, on marketplaces, or even bundle them into courses and offer them to your audience. And this particular bundle is stacked 27 products in one for an unbeatable price. Let me walk you through what's inside the bundle so you understand its value. There are high-quality guides like a 90-day devotional guide, resources like 101 Newbie Marketing Questions Answered, and even structured lessons like 90 technical music lessons. This means whether you're targeting spirituality, business training, music learners, or online entrepreneurs, there's something here that your audience will love. Most people struggle with content creation. It's time-consuming and expensive. But with PLR content, you don't have to write, record, or design a thing. You get the assets ready to go, and you can start selling on day one. This makes it ideal for beginners and experienced marketers alike. One of the best parts about this bundle is the instant resale rights. That means you can literally upload these to your shop or funnel, take payments, and keep every cent you earn. There's no complicated licensing to worry about. Everything is straightforward and ready to go. Now let's talk strategy for a moment. You could create an email funnel around one of these products, or upgrade it into a coaching mini course. You could even record some video lessons based on the written content. The point is, PLR is a multitude of income possibilities, not just a static product. I also want you to think about positioning. This sort of bundle is perfect for social media audiences, blog audiences, and even for paid traffic campaigns. If you're selling products online already, adding even one or two of these to your lineup can bump up your revenue noticeably. Of course, some folks worry about oversaturation, but here's the key: your brand and your marketing make the product unique. Two people can sell the same PLR set, and one can make $100 while the other makes $10,000, all based on how they present it. So if you're ready to stop creating from scratch and start selling and profiting fast, this 27in1 bundle could be exactly what you need to kick your passive income into high gear. If you want to grab this bundle and start profiting with it today, check the link in the description below and secure your copy before the price goes up.